Hey financiers, do you want to make money from no money? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to our Finance Fundamental YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how to make money when you don't have any money to start with. Many people think that making money requires a lot of capital or resources, but the truth is, there are plenty of ways to make money with little or no investment. In this video, we will be discussing some of the strategies that you can use to make money even if you have no money to start with. Strategy 1. Start a service-based business. One of the best ways to make money when you don't have any money to start with is to start a service-based business. This could be anything from dog walking to freelance writing or graphic design. All you need is a skill that people are willing to pay for and the ability to market yourself effectively. You can start by offering your services to friends and family, and then expand from there. One of the advantages of starting a service-based business is that it can be done with very little startup capital. However, it does require you to have a particular skill that others are willing to pay for. Some examples of service-based businesses that you can start with little or no money include 1. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a passion for writing or editing, you can offer your services online to businesses or individuals who need content for their websites, blogs, or social media platforms. Freelance writing or editing is a great way to earn money online, and there are many platforms like Freelancer or Upwork where you can find clients. 2. Social media management. Many businesses are looking for individuals who can help them manage their social media platforms. If you have experience with social media and know how to create engaging content, then you can start a social media management business. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork or approach businesses. 3. In your local area. Personal trainer or fitness coach. If you have a passion for fitness and a background in personal training, you can start your own personal training or fitness coaching business. You can offer your services to clients in your local area or even online through platforms like Zoom. 4. Virtual assistant. Many small business owners or entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing email, or social media management. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. 5. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you love animals, you can start a dog walking or pet sitting business. You can offer your services to individuals in your local area or sign up for apps like Rover or Wag to find clients. The key to success with a service-based business is to offer a high-quality service and market yourself effectively. You can start by offering your services to friends and family and ask them to spread the word. You can also create a website or social media accounts to showcase your services and attract new clients. Over time, as you build your reputation and experience, you can increase your rates and expand your business. Strategy 2. Sell items online. Another strategy for making money when you don't have any money to start with is to sell items online. This could be anything from handmade crafts to second-hand clothing or electronics. You can start by selling on platforms like eBay or Etsy, and then expand to other platforms as you grow your business. Flipping items refers to the act of buying an item at a low price and selling it for a higher price, thus making a profit. The idea behind flipping is to find undervalued items that you can resell for a higher price. Here are some ways you can flip items for a profit. Stores and garage sales are excellent places to find items that you can flip for a 1. Thrift stores and garage sales, thrift profit. Look for items that are in good condition, but being sold at a low price. These can include clothing, electronics, furniture, and other household items. Once you've found an item that you think you can sell for a higher price, list it for sale on online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. 2. Online arbitrage. Online arbitrage involves buying products at a low price from one online marketplace and reselling them for a higher price on another marketplace. For example, you could buy a product on Amazon for a low price and sell it for a high price on eBay. To be successful with online arbitrage, you need to be able to find products that are being sold at a lower price on one marketplace than they are being sold for on another marketplace. 3. Local auctions. Local auctions can be a great place to find items that you can flip for a profit. You can find auctions in your local area by searching online or in the classifieds section of your local newspaper. At the auction, you'll need to being sold at a discount due to overstock. Pay attention to the items that are being auctioned off and bid on the ones that you think you can sell for a higher price. 4. Clearance sales. Clearance sales are another great place to find items that you can flip for a profit. Look for items that are all clearance sales. Once you've found an item that you think you can sell for a higher price, list it for sale on online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon. 5. Drop shipping. Drop shipping involves selling products on an online marketplace without actually holding inventory. You work with a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer on your behalf. This strategy requires some upfront investment in setting up your online store and finding a reliable supplier, but it can be a great way to make money without holding inventory. The key to success with flipping items is to know the value of the items you are buying and to be able to sell them for a higher price than what you paid for them. You'll need to do your research to find items that are in demand and sell quickly. Additionally, you'll need to be patient and persistent as it may take some time to find profitable items to flip. Strategy 3. Participate in paid surveys. Participating in paid surveys is another way to make money with no money to start with. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, and while you won't make a lot of money, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Participating in online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research is a strategy that can be used to earn money with little or no investment. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers about their products and services, and they are willing to pay for this feedback. Here are some ways you can make money through online surveys and market research. 1. Online surveys. Many companies offer paid online surveys to gather information about their target market. You can sign up for online survey platforms like SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks and earn money for completing surveys. 2. Focus groups. Focus groups are a type of market research where a small group of people are brought together to discuss a product or service. You can sign up for focus group platforms like User Interviews or Respondent and earn money for participating in focus groups. 3. Product testing. Some companies offer paid product testing opportunities where you can test a product and provide feedback. You can find product testing opportunities on websites like Product Testing USA or Vindel Research. 4. Mystery shopping. Mystery shopping involves posing as a regular customer and evaluating the customer service and overall experience. You can sign up for mystery shopping platforms like Bistmark or IntelliShop and earn money for completing mystery shopping. Assignments. 5. User testing. User testing involves testing websites or apps and providing feedback on the user experience. You can sign up for user testing platforms like User Testing or Tremuyo and earn money for completing user testing assignments. The key to success with online surveys and market research is to sign up for reputable platforms and be consistent with your participation. You may not earn a significant amount of money with this strategy alone, but it can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Strategy 4. Offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork are platforms where you can offer your services to clients from all over the world. You can offer anything from graphic design to social media management, and there are always clients looking for freelancers with the right skills. These platforms take a percentage of your earnings, but they can be a great way to get started when you don't have any money to invest. Providing freelance services refers to offering your skills and expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis. Freelancing can be a great way to make money with little or no investment, especially if you already have a skill set that is in demand. Here are some ways you can make money as a freelancer. 1. Writing and editing. If you have strong writing and editing skills, you can offer your services to clients who need help with content creation. You can find clients on freelance job platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by reaching out to businesses in your niche. 2. Graphic design. If you have a talent for graphic design, you can offer your services to clients who need help with branding, logo design, or other design-related tasks. You can find clients on freelance job platforms or by reaching out to businesses in your niche. 3. Web development. If you have skills in web development, you can offer your services to clients who need help with website design and development. You can find clients on freelance job platforms or by reaching out to businesses in your niche. 4. Virtual assistants. If you have strong organizational and administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistance services to busy entrepreneurs or executives who need help managing their day-to-day tasks. You can find clients on freelance job platforms or by reaching out to businesses in your niche. Social media management. If you have 5. Experience with social media platforms, you can offer your services to clients who need help with managing their social media presence. You can find clients on freelance job platforms or by reaching out to businesses in your niche. The key to success with freelancing is to build a strong reputation and establish yourself as an expert in your field. You'll need to have a portfolio of work to showcase your skills and be able to effectively market yourself to potential clients. Additionally, it's important to establish clear expectations and boundaries with your clients to ensure that your working relationship is productive and mutually beneficial. Strategy 5. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel is another way to make money when you don't have any money to start with. While it may take some time to build an audience, once you do, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can start by creating content on a topic that you are passionate about, and then work on growing your audience over time. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to make money online with little or no investment. The idea behind this strategy is to create content that attracts an audience and then monetize that audience through various methods. Here are some ways you can make money from a blog or YouTube channel. 1. Advertising revenue. One of the most popular ways to make money from a blog or YouTube channel is through advertising revenue. You can sign up for advertising networks like Google AdSense or YouTube Partner Program and earn money based on the number of views or clicks on the ads displayed on your website or videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products related to your blog or YouTube channel niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. 3. Sponsorships. If your blog or YouTube channel has a significant following, you can earn money through sponsorships. Brands may be interested in sponsoring your content in exchange for exposure to your audience. 4. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products like books, courses, or printables. You can promote these products on your blog or YouTube channel and earn money from sales. 5. Donations. If your audience values your content, they may be willing to donate to support your work. You can set up a donation system like Patreon or Ko-fi to allow your audience to support you financially. It's also important to you'll need to be consistent with your content creation and promote your blog or YouTube channel through various social media channels to attract more viewers. It's also important to have a niche or focus for your content to build a loyal audience. So those were some of the strategies that you can use to make money when you don't have any money to start with. Whether you start a service-based business, sell items online, participate in paid surveys, offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork, or start a blog or YouTube channel, there are plenty of ways to make money with little or no investment. Remember that it takes time and effort to build a successful business, but with persistence and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video and achieve your financial goals.